Introduction: CSS Animation is a tool that allows intricate and engaging animations in CSS code. Animations can move, scale, rotate, and change the opacity of elements on the web page. CSS animations enhance user experience by making the website more dynamic and interactive. Understanding CSS animation. CSS animation is a method of animating HTML elements without using JavaScript or Flash. It consists of two components: a style describing the animation, and a set of keyframes indicating the start and end state of the animation. CSS animations work by changing an element's styles from one state to another over a specified duration. The changes are defined in the CSS keyframes rule, which describes the animation sequence. Implementing CSS animation. Keyframes are created to define the stages of the animation timeline. After creating the keyframes, they are assigned to an element. The animation is then applied to elements with the specified class and duration. Tips and tricks. Utilize multiple keyframes for complex animations. Experiment with animation timing function property to change the speed curve of the animation. Common errors and how to avoid them. Ensure the animation name in the CSS rule matches the one in the @keyframes rule to avoid incorrect animation name error. Always set an animation duration to prevent the animation from not running. Conclusion: CSS animations are powerful tools for enhancing web designs. They allow the creation of engaging, dynamic web pages without the need for JavaScript or Flash. With practice and creativity, CSS animations can bring web designs to life.